So I bought Liger Zero X, and it had a lot of battery leakage all over the place, and you can put it on display or make a remote control version out of it. So this is what I got, was a remote control airplane, and this is the remote. I got it has just had the same motor inside as a Zoid's, except I cut off the wires, connected it to the original Zoid's motor because it wouldn't fit in with all the stuff on it. So you need to get one with a remote control that goes backwards and forwards. This one has extra sound on it. And then you get Liger Zero X. Let's see it move. It actually moves faster than the normal version because it has now 2 batteries, I think. And the cool bit is that it goes backward as well. The sound effects are still from the plane, like when the engine fires up and stuff like that. So, but it also has gunfire. It's just an extra stiff stuff, so it's the still cool bit. So now I have a working Liger Zero X instead of a semi-dead one. So you might want to try that. Be careful for the younger people that don't know how to solder. You need to solder the bits, and that's it. That's it for me. See you at the forum. Bye.